Oh god. I am so sorry. What the frick? What was that? I am so sorry. I don't know what was that. We got Skylar here today. She's watching me play, so don't mind her talking. I'm so we're gonna win after yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Yes, she's gonna be here today. Yes, she's here. Baby girl. Baby girl. Say hi, baby. Oh, no, Freddy Fazbear. That would be hilarious if I die from Freddy Fazbear, guys. If you want me to do more game Let's Plays, don't worry, guys, I'll get Gary's mod. But if you want me to do more gameplay Let's Plays, let me know in the comments down below, because because this is my first time doing gaming videos, so make sure you like, subscribe for more gaming videos. But yes, how many am I going to do an Ultimate Cousin Night? I have no idea. We're just going to do a couple, probably series. So I might play this game and probably end the video. I might keep going. I don't know. Yeah, Corey's here too. Close that door right now. Okay, he's gone. Yeah, open that door. Anyway, guys, if you want to see more gameplays, I guess, anyway. Okay, let's check on these cams. Okay, there's Foxy. Gotta get those fast cams. And there goes Freddy. Yeah, I just changed the music box and she's not in. Wait, what's going on? I'm sorry about the glitching. Since I'm recording and playing the game at the same time, it's gonna glitch. So you're gonna have to bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Right now.
I did it.
Yeah. These fast ones. Oh no, I forgot. Bonnie glitched your thing. I can't see. Let's not do that. I can't. Okay. Yeah, Freddy's gonna win. Oh, Freddy's nothing. Goodness gracious. And if you want to see more game Let's Plays, we gotta get these fast coins though. I'll watch Freddy for now, because I think I just need to watch Freddy and see if he moves. I think that's all I need to do right now. I don't know. What? He didn't move a little bit, so yeah, my thing is glitching out, so y'all gotta have to bear with me on my game channel. Y'all gotta have to bear with me right now. Yes, y'all have to bear with me. No! Close the door. Oh no. Guys, if I die in my first gaming video, I'm gonna. Yes, guys. Yes, I had to buy it. My mom bought this for me, so yeah. I swear, if I die in my first gaming video, I'm gonna be sad. Come on, 6 a.m. It's 5 a.m. I didn't realize that. Come on, hit 6 a.m. Hit 6 a.m. before a jump scare. Please. Please. Oh my goodness, guys, I just won. Oh goodness, I just won. I thought I was gonna die in my first gaming video. That would miss something. Oh yeah, let's just say my. Oh no, man, just still watch the videos. It's on. Well, okay, well, everybody, hopefully you like this video and subscribe for notifications. I'll do the second one. I'll do the FNAF 2 animatronics. Yeah, I'll do the FNAF 2 animatronics. So, yeah, so make sure you subscribe. Like, hit the bell. Bing! That bell's on. So, I'll see you later, guys. And if you want me to do a face cam, goodbye.